All right, drink we're about to make is called Rudy. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass here. And we'll measure out a ½ ounce of Bacardi Limon. And we'll follow that up with a ½ ounce of melon liqueur. Next, we'll add a ½ ounce of blue curacao. And a ½ ounce of raspberry schnapps. All right, now 3 ounces of cranberry juice. And we'll just give it a quick shake. Oh, I almost forgot. One more ingredient. Just a splash of sour mix. Okay. Quick mix. That'll do. Grab a Collins glass and pour it in. Look at that. We'll go ahead and garnish that with a lemon. And bottoms up.